I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Google Play services must be active, and your device runs the latest OS build. Next, sign into the Google account you intend to link in the device settings so tokens are ready. Once done, open Efootball 2025, navigate to Settings, then Account, then link Google Play. You'll see a prompt. Choose the correct Google account and tap Confirm. This begins the secure OAuth handoff between app and Play account. Now you handle the middle steps. Grant the app permissions when prompted. These allow cloud save and purchases. You must verify the email displayed. If it differs, cancel and pick the intended Google account. If two-step verification is enabled, enter the 2FA code or approve the sign-in on your other device. Once you approve, wait for the in-app confirmation. It may display a success banner. Make sure the game syncs player data. This confirms the link is active and ready to use. Finish by restarting Efootball and returning to Settings right arrow account to confirm Google Play shows as connected. To validate fully, trigger a cloud save or claim a free item. These actions prove the link works. If everything completed, you're done. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Sign out of your Google account in device settings, clear the game cache, sign back into the correct Google account, then reattempt linking. This resolves most token and permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.